Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. All right, now that we've gotten that excess solder out of these connecting poles here, I want to clean them. Okay, so I'll use some Deoxit 5. Get this little brush. See, and you can see that it's brown, like brown residue right there. And that's what I'm going after. What this will do, what this does is it makes, gotta be careful about these things. Don't want to break them. That one's acting kind of okay. All right, that's enough of that. So that's how you clean those posts to get them prepared for the wires that's going to be soldered on there. Clean them up, and that'll make for a much better solder joint. And because you don't want any loose connections, you go to connect that and it's dirty, it can cause a cold solder joint at some point in time, and then you're trying to troubleshoot the problem. It can be hard to find for some people because they don't know to check this, but it's a cold solder joint, so you don't want that. So to eliminate those problems, you want to go ahead and clean these posts before you resolder the wires back on there. So I'm doing that for the customer, make sure he has some clean posts there to be able to take care of that job. So that's it for this video. This is Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, saying to you, peace out.